Hello, I'm Courtney.
And I'm Will. We're coming to you today from neighborfoodblog.com. And today we're going to make a delicious recipe, a honey garlic pork tenderloin.
We're really excited to be partnering with Ohio Pork for this recipe. This is a great, easy recipe for the holidays, but it's also so simple you could make it for a weeknight.
We start with a pair of pork tenderloins, not a pork loin. They are two different cuts. We need to trim off just a bit of the outer silver skin. Next, we combine salt and pepper, garlic powder, and dried sage to make a rub, and then make sure to cover both sides of the pork tenderloin in that seasoning blend. After we wash our hands, next we'll make our sauce by whisking together honey, soy sauce, and Dijon mustard until well combined. Then we heat some oil in our skillet and add our seasoned tenderloins, cooking them undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're nice and browned. Flip them over to brown the other side for another 2 minutes. Add the garlic directly to the skillet, sautéing until it's fragrant, then pour in the sauce we made earlier.
Now while that boils up, we're going to give those tenderloins one last turn to coat them in the sauce. And then we'll take the whole skillet, pop it in the oven at 350 degrees to cook for 13 to 17 minutes.
The tenderloins can be removed from the oven when they've reached at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Ours is just above 150. Perfect. We removed the meat and placed it on a serving platter tinted with foil. Then return the skillet to the stovetop. Cook the sauce and juices until it's thickened enough to coat the back of a spoon.
Using a sharp knife, we'll slice our tenderloin into thin medallions, cutting across the grain. These are so tender and juicy, and they should have just a blush of pink color.
When everything is ready to serve, pour the thickened honey garlic glaze over the meat and enjoy.